In this video, we'll explain how we can search for, add, modify an account in the Motakaml Plus system. The chart of accounts consists of two types of accounts, main accounts and sub-accounts. The sub-accounts are the accounts which are affected by the transactions, while the main accounts are just the classifications and they are not affected by the transactions. We here choose the general ledger system, inputs, then the chart of accounts screen. Our chart of accounts here consists of 6 levels. The first 5 levels are the main accounts that are not affected by the transactions, while the accounts that will be added at level 6 will be the accounts that will be affected by the transactions. First, we are going to explain how we can search for an account in the Motakaml Plus system. We click here on this search button, then through here, this screen, the user can search for any account. The second thing, how we can modify on a certain account. We choose this account, then we click here on modify, and then here, for example, we can change this account name. Then here we are going to save the modification process. Next, we are going to explain how we can add a main account in the chart of accounts. We click here again on this search button, and then going through here, for example, current assets. Here we are going to add a main account under the cash in hand. We click on add, determine the parent code. The system automatically will give this account its code. Then the user will here determine this account name. For example, here, cash account. Then, as this is a level 5, the account type has to be a main account. Then we will save the transaction. Next, we are going to explain how we can add a sub-account under this main account. We click here on add, determining the number of the parent account that we did. And as it is the first sub-account to be added under this main account, the user has to enter here the account code manually. And then determining this account name. And also here. Then, as it's a level 6, the account type here has to be a sub-account, so it will be affected by the transaction. Then the second thing here, choosing the currency of this account. Then we save the process. And then if we want also to add another sub-account under this main account, we will click here on add, determining the number of the main account again. And this time the system automatically determines the account code. Then we'll get here to type the name, choosing the account type, a main account, a sub-account here as it's a level 6, the currency, and saving the process.